So you heard the call. Now what? Because hearing the call means nothing if you don't act. This is where most people fall short. They get inspired, they get fired up, and they sit back, waiting for the perfect moment. Let me be crystal clear. There is no perfect moment. The only moment that matters is right now. You don't climb mountains by starting at the peak. You take the first step, then the next step, and you keep on moving until there's nothing left to climb. You don't build an empire by dreaming about it. You wake up every morning early, and you put in the effort, and you put in the work, and you refuse to stop until your vision becomes reality. This isn't about motivation. Motivation fades. This is about discipline. This is about relentlessness. This is about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Because the difference between success and failure isn't talent. It's not luck. It's not the willingness to go all in. If you want something bad enough, you don't just work for it. You fight for it. You break through the walls. You grind. You sweat. You push until there is nothing left in you. And then you push some more. Greatness doesn't just bow to comfort. It doesn't kneel to hesitation. It belongs to those who show up every single day and do the work, no matter how they feel. How do you respond when it gets hard? Do you stop? Do you slow down? Do you procrastinate? Or do you dig deeper? Your future self is watching, and every decision you make today builds a foundation for the person you will become. So are you making the choices that push you forward, or are you making excuses that are holding you back? Fear will try to stop you. Doubt will try to paralyze you. But neither fear nor doubt can stand against action. So let me ask you, are you willing? Are you ready to step up? Are you ready to chase your greatness with every fiber of your being today? No more waiting. No more wishing. No more holding back. The time is now. The world belongs to those who refuse to quit. So get up and make it happen. This isn't about motivation. Motivation fades. This is about discipline. This is about relentlessness. This is about doing what needs to be done. You don't climb mountains by starting at the peak.